Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. I'm CN Ona, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you the latest secret on how you can speed up your YouTube monetization process and get reviewed and monetized in just one day. I had a pre-knowledge of this very secret and it's very latest, so I used it and I was monetized in just 47 hours, and that includes the application process and the review process. I mean, this secret works perfectly well, 100%. You don't really need a laptop nor a PC to do all that. As you can see, I'm using a mobile device, a mobile phone. All you need is a 4G enabled mobile phone and a good browser, preferably Chrome browser or Firefox browser, and then turning on the desktop site on either of these browsers and you are good to go. Maybe you recently met the requirement for you to apply for YouTube monetization, and perhaps you've applied already but you've been held in review for days if not weeks. Never worry guys, all you need to do is to apply this very secret and you'll be monetized immediately, because it has to do with attracting the attention of the reviewers, and your application will get reviewed and you will be monetized. So without further ado guys, let's just get into it. Now by default, your YouTube creator studio is in 28 days period. So all you need to do is to change the period to the last 365 days, and then you proceed to send a feedback to the YouTube review panel. Okay, so you can change the period of your YouTube creator studio by clicking on that place and then change it to 365 days. It appears like this, and these are the places you are going to highlight. Okay, you are highlight here as well, and then you highlight this place, and finally you are going to highlight your channel. Okay, so and you are going to proceed to click on this feedback icon, yes, and then it will load. When it appears like this, you are going to highlight the places I just told you. You're going to highlight the number of your watch hours. You highlight here, and you highlight the number of your subscribers, highlight the number of days, and in a short while I will show you how it will appear. Okay, after the highlight, make sure it's clean. It's gonna appear like this. Okay, and then you proceed to type your letter this way, saying, hey YouTube, I recently met the 2 requirements for the YouTube partnership program. I have over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 public watch hours. I started YouTube July 1st 2020, as in my case, sticking to the rules, policies and guidelines as stipulated to create good content for my audience. Just sending this feedback to check if there's any other thing you need from me for the review and approval of my application. Attached to this feedback is a screenshot verifying these numbers and my claims. Okay, those are the things I wrote. You can write a different thing, and then you also input your name or the name of your YouTube channel, and then you are good to go. You proceed from there to send the letter and your feedback to YouTube, okay, by clicking on the send button, and then you wait for the miracle to happen. All right, so yes, that's just it. Okay guys, and when you send it, within a short while you are going to receive a message, okay, telling you to associate your channel. Okay, so we are done typing and we're going to click send. Okay, and after some moments I received a message to associate my channel. Okay, to associate my channel and to accept the association, and I was also redirected to the YouTube Creator Studio, and the process continues. In less than 47 hours, guys, I received this message that I've been monetized. Okay, so it's very straightforward and very short, and all you need is your mobile phone. Okay, I received this message. I was monetized in less than 47 hours when I applied this trick, this secret. So I've got a detailed video on step by step how to apply for YouTube monetization. So guys, do let me know if you want to watch this kind of video, and I will make videos to share with you my secrets on how I was able to grow my channel from technically 0 subscribers to over 1,000 subscribers in just 75 days, and how I was able to attain the 4,000 watch hours in 95 days and was monetized in less than 100 days. So just do let me know in the comment section below if you need such videos, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like if you found any value in it. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Meanwhile, many thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.